Hey there, knowledge seekers. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Feng Shui, specifically exploring how it influences our knowledge and wisdom. Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice of harmonizing the environment with the energies around us. It's believed that using Feng Shui principles can enhance our lives in various aspects, including knowledge and wisdom. 1. Open the doors to learning. Start by decluttering your study space. This creates a clear path for new ideas to flow in and old concepts to flow out, fostering a fresh perspective on learning. 2. Color code wisely. Choose colors that stimulate your brain and promote focus. Colors such as blue or green are known to boost cognitive function, making them perfect for a study area. 3. Light up your space. Make sure your study area is well lit but not glaringly bright. A balance between natural light and softer lighting can boost concentration and productivity while also reducing eye strain during long study sessions. 4. Position wisely. The placement of your desk is crucial too. Sitting in front of a window can help keep you alert while avoiding distractions like passing cars or noisy neighbors. 5. Clutter-free is key. A cluttered environment can hinder your ability to focus and retain information effectively. Keep your study space organized and free from distractions to optimize learning success. 6. Plants are powerhouses. Add some greenery to your study area. Plants have been proven to improve concentration, memory, and overall cognitive function. They're like natural brain boosters. 7. Keep it balanced. Pay attention to the balance between hard surfaces like desks and soft materials like carpets or cushions in your study space. This can help with overall comfort while studying or working on assignments or projects. 8. Harness positive energy. Choose artwork or other decorations that resonate with you positively. These can add an extra boost to your learning environment by tapping into positive energy sources through symbols or imagery you find inspiring or uplifting. 9. Light up the room. Adequate lighting is essential for a successful study session. Make sure you have enough light to avoid eye strain, while still maintaining comfort levels ideal for long hours of reading or studying without causing headaches. 10. Clean slate. Regularly clean both physically dusting surfaces and energetically smudging. This keeps negativity at bay so you can concentrate fully on what's important learning. 11. Mind over matter matters most when it comes down to how Feng Shui for knowledge and wisdom works.